Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Southeast University CSC scholarship. So let's start. Type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. Okay, here is the link. Click on this, and after that you can see here is Southeast University CSC scholarship, and also Hwa Chong Agriculture University CSC scholarship has been started, and Northeastern Western University NPU scholarship has been started. So a lot of scholarship has been started. So let's start our major focus on Southeast University. So click here to get all universities details till admission has been started. So good luck and take care of yourself as well. So let's start. Southeast University. Okay, here is the detail of Southeast University. So Southeast University, if you want to get acceptance letter, and then here is the email of professors for Southeast University professors for acceptance letters. So details, scholarship details is here. Southeast University Chinese Government Scholarship Authority, and it's for master and PhD students, not for bachelor students. But the bachelor students, for bachelor students, they offer university scholarship, Southeast University scholarship. In the very next video, inshallah, we discuss on that. So scholarship type, fully funded scholarship, monthly allowance 3000 RMB for masters and 3500 RMB for PhD students. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 30th of March 2021 is the last date. Okay, eligibility criteria for students. So all international students can apply this. For master, age limit 35, and for PhD, age limit 45. English proficiency certificate is enough for applying. So they don't if you think that we don't have any IELTS with our degree and TOEFL, that these kind of things, so don't worry about this. English proficiency certificate is enough. No, the main thing, how you apply for this scholarship. First of all, you fill CSC online application form. Okay, click here to fill CSC online application form, and after that, after filling CSC online application form, click here to go to CSC online application portal, and after that, after filling CSC online application form, you must fill University online application portal of Southeast University. Here is the University online application form. Click here to fill the form, and how to fill this form, why these videos. Okay, after that, no need to send hard copies, no application fee. They never mention on their website official announcement. So I'll show you the official announcement at the end. Okay, don't worry about this. So now the main purpose is that required documents list. Which documents they required for CSC scholarship. So here the CSC online application form and University online application form portal as well, and highest degree certificate and transcript of highest education, study plan, research proposal, not less than 800 word, no recommendation letters by associate professor and professors, not for assistant professor and lecturers. Passport photocopy, physical examination form, and English proficiency certificate. Acceptance letter is not mandatory, but if you have acceptance letter, your chances of selection will be high. Okay, don't worry about this. If you think that you want to apply without acceptance letter in this university, then you can. It's not mandatory, but your chances will be high if you have acceptance letter. A CDF for your own work for art students only. No criminal certificate record mean police clearance certificate is also mandatory for this scholarship. Okay, so here is the list of those students who selected for CSC scholarship and university scholarship as well. And the university scholarship, offer university scholarship 2500 RMB per month. This is very good. So no, hey, click here for official advertisement. Click here to get official advertisement. Okay, here is the detail of official advertisement. So you can see for CSC scholarship, the deadline for Southeast University is 30th of March 2020. So for university scholarship and for self-supported students, the deadline is 30th of March 2020. So don't worry about this. These are all the required documents which I show you already on cscguideofficial.com. These are the requirement documents, and you can see here they clearly mention acceptance letter from professor is not the document requested, but it will make your application more competitive. Means it's not mandatory, but if you have, then your chances of selection will be high. So type permanent accurate address on your when you fill university online application portal. So because when they send documents to your address, they reach on time. It will so these are the things. If you have any confusion, and want to confirm more thing about scholarship, then send emails to this email address. Okay, here's the detail, and no, don't worry about this, that how you fill this form and what should you do next after filling online, both online application form. You need to have to wait for the final official advertisement, for final official result which they announced, and when they announce result, we will update on our CSC guide official website. Here is CSC scholarship results. You can also check the those university results who select student for CSC scholarship for different universities like DUT, yeah, like Hwa Chong Agriculture University, and all these other things, Southeast Tianjin University. So all these scholarship result has been updated here. So good luck and take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.